Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and Merry Christmas to you all. Today's video is going to be about this hairstyle I created 3 days ago. I was not going to post a video. I received a lot of compliment for this hairstyle, and I was like, why not posting the video? And I hope you guys love it. It's not the best hairstyle, but it will come out really cute, guys. All you need is a crochet needle, a comb. I'm using Eco Styler gel and rubber bands. This is what I already did so far. I had a long day, y'all. Don't judge how I parted my hair. I know it's not cute, but the hair will cover everything. Don't worry. I just need my hair done for the week, okay? And this is the hair I'm going to use. Alright, y'all, this is the hair after 2 days. I was ready to go to bed. I didn't do my makeup that night, so here I am wearing just foundation. Don't judge my makeup. I know my foundation creased on my eyelid. I did my makeup 11 hours ago. I was rushing to go somewhere. I just have my brows and foundation and a little bit of setting powder. I just used this red lipstick. I had clear lip gloss earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.